Welcome to our Unity Prayer Service for April 2022. We invite you to take a few moments to let go of the busyness of the day, to invite the body, the mind, the being to a deeper sense of stillness as we move into this sacred time together. Entering wholeheartedly into a period of prayer, we set aside any intention except to bask in the power and presence of infinite love, wisdom, and life. God, that is infinite love, wisdom, and life, permeates our being. Single-minded, wholehearted, we go within. Peace flows like a river through my mind and heart. With every breath, I circulate spiritual peace through my body, my thoughts, and my feelings. I am captivated by God that is infinite peace, settling every nerve and vibration throughout my being. The calm, vital force of infinite peace inspires me as I pray. Immersed in divine wisdom, I listen, learn, and live. Everything I need, every sense of direction, and every divine idea for the moment ahead lies within, at the seat of divine wisdom. In the moments I feel uncertain, I turn within. As I listen to my life, I learn the way of wisdom. Infinite wisdom stirs in the silence. one with God. I am the flow and vitality of life. In the midst of any health or healing concern, I remind myself that my nature conforms with the pattern of infinite divine life. I steady my thoughts in spiritual strength, stirred in the expectancy of faith. I live now fully and wholeheartedly centered in prayer. All things are possible in divine mind. Divine ideas are flowing to meet my every need. As I quiet my thoughts and soothe my feelings in prayer, I open to rich possibilities within divine mind. I remember that all possibilities begin with my great capacity of imagination, through which I envisage the good I desire. With an open mind, I pray. Let there be peace in all people at all times. In a posture of trust, I let peace pervade my being as I see and hear of troubling conditions in the world around me. I lead in peace, fostering peace, stemming from the unifying power of infinite love. I choose to trust the good, the God within myself and others in the silence of prayer. As we close this time of restorative, renewing prayer, we dedicate this time to our world, to all people everywhere. And for ourselves, we carry within us the capacities of infinite love, wisdom, and life. All that God is, we can be in any moment of need ahead. We champion our good and the good of all with whom we pray. And we close in reciting the prayer for protection together. The light of God surrounds us. The love of God enfolds us. The power of God protects us. The presence of God watches over us. Wherever we are, God is, and all is well. Amen. So bless you and thank you for joining in with us in this sacred time of prayer together.